Is your bathroom sink clogged and unable to pay a plumber? I have the perfect life hack for you. You will never need a plumber ever again. All you need is one item that is laying around your kitchen. Yes, your kitchen. It is a straw cleaner. Trust me on this one, it works. All you have to do brush up and down your sink stopper like I did. After just about 30 to 45 seconds of doing so, you will see all that gunk come out. So gross. It's crazy this little product can clean a project that could have costed hundreds of dollars. Luckily, this straw cleaner comes in a variety of sizes for only $5. If you would like to buy it, the link will be in the description box below. Did you see how fast and quick the water drained out? When my sink was clogged, it will take a few minutes to drain out. Now, since I cleaned my drain with this life hack, the water will go down automatically. No dirt or gunk would stay floating up and dirty the sink. Instead, the water will go right down to the drain like it is supposed to. As you can see, after just one wipe, everything is gone. You don't have to go over and over and over again with it. Everything will get cleaned up once. No extra cleaned needed. Warning: do not reuse the same straw cleaner to clean your straws. Keep the one you used to clean your sink in your bathroom and never use it to clean a straw. Only for the sink. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.